picked up 2 sticker collections today at Target. One is of the Mega, and the other is Paldean Fates. So we got a Golduck promo. We got 3 packs of Mega. We're gonna open the first one. Let's see if we can get one of the golden cards here. Got Fearow, Leo, Tink, Griever, Shedinja, Teleon, Wally, Stuffle. Ooh, wow!
Hey,
Lily's Determination.
Nice.
These blisters are really nice. And Alakazam. Wow, that was unexpected. All right, let's see if we can keep it going. One of the Shedinja duos. Gimme Cool, Grumpig, Pyroar, Tinkatonk, Spargan, Desmise. Oh, Mega Abomasnow. Yeah, the Megas have been pretty nice with these full arts. That's a nice one. All right, let's see what we got. Compared to the Destined Rivals. Houndstone, Tinkatonk, Canyon, Sojourner. Oh, Shuckle!
Cute.
Wow, we're 3 for 3 here. It's the wifey's turn.
All right, favorite set.
That's good. Yeah, something about these sticker packs have been just good in general.
I like the sticker.
Nice sticker.
Nice. Oops, I dropped everything.
And a baby shiny. Okay. First pack. Nice.
Fido?
I'm Junior. That one looked funny. Oh, Knuckle Stack.
That's it.
Magmar. Pikachu one.
Oh, how you open this?
She's like, what's that? Oh, maybe? Chinchou.
Really no.
She says it's out. Oh, she says she's out. Oinkoloink. Moonlit Hill. Haunter. Primate.
Oh.
Cyclizard. Last pack. Faults. Magmar. Haunter.
Let's see.
Duxman. Mistfall. Bridgerback. Spanky. And
Goldingo.
Not bad for 2 tech sticker collections.